Good afternoon, YouTube family. It is Shirley coming to you with a mini Ross haul. I went and picked up 8 items that went well over $100. So I walked out with 2 tiny bags, nothing compared to Dollar Tree, and I could feel the difference. How are you guys doing? How is life? The kids are out of school, so they have that weekend between buffer before summer camp actually begins, which is next Monday. So they're here driving me crazy, which is fine. As long as they're alive, eating, and are fine with me and not causing any problems, I'll be good to go until Monday. I went to Ross to get some Father Day's items and a couple other items right before the kids get out of school all the way, because I know I won't be able to do anything until they get back to summer camp. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I got for Father's Day and other things that I just picked up. The first thing I got was this avocado oil, all natural. I heard this is the Spanish blend, a healthy blend of canola and avocado oil. I heard that these oils are very good to use. I'm starting to read a lot about health, and I heard that vegetable oil is one of the worst oils to actually cook with, and I've been using it all my life. So we're trying to remove ourselves from having that, and also, you know, frying a lot. So we fry for special occasions, and just trying to have a healthier life, healthier living, so that we don't cause a lot of inflammation to the body. So trying something new. We're going to try this avocado oil to see how food tastes. Hopefully it tastes really, really nice. I also got some forks. I got the 8 dinner forks. For some reason, we're missing forks. I mean, real forks in the house. I think the children are throwing them away because they get so used to using plastic forks, which I'm trying to wean them off of as well. Because it's plastic. Plastic is quite dangerous. It's everywhere, and it's something that we have to try to remove ourselves from using so much consumption on, slowly but surely, you know, getting back to the actual plates and actual utensils and things of that nature, so that we don't have those kind of estrogens, life form, be entered into our little kids, also adults, that will cause problems to the body. Here is my final bag. I went and got some, these are super cute. These are Hilfigers, Tommy Hilfigers. I got these for $24.99. These are a size 8. I always try them on at the store, and they were very comfortable. This will be for my trip. I didn't have any white flats, so I only got those. Then I got, oh goodness. And then I got myself some sandals. These are $14.99, size 8. These are super cute. Just wanted to get something new for the summer. For Father's Day, for my father-in-law, I got him the Burberry Touch. This is in the 30 ml, 1 ounce fragrance, and I got this for $27.99. That's where the big tickets are coming from, is the perfume. And then I got my husband the Burberry for Men. This is a 1 ounce as well. I think this is $19.99. So these were good deals. They were really low on cologne. So, well, it is last minute. It is June, and everybody go to Ross to get their perfumes now at a good deal. So just grateful I was able to find 2. I got a new vest for my youngest son. This one will be a little bit comfortable compared to the other one that he has. This one has the zipper. That'll keep him afloat, just in case he goes somewhere he's not supposed to go, in the pool. So I thought this was going to be convenient for him. This is for 4 to 6 of age. We'll be doing a lot of pool activities, and just want to make sure he is secured at all times. He has the latch for in between his legs. This was for $7.99, and I was like, I am not passing on that. So definitely a great buy. And also for the backyard for 4th of July, decided to get this cute little thing for baby Daz and for my youngest son, just to play around with. Just plug it to the hose, so we'll have some fun out there in the sun. And this was for $4.99. So that was my miniature Ross haul, Father's Day edition. This is what made everything a little bit higher than normal. But I was grateful to find those products, since this is honestly a really last minute kind of thing, because next weekend is Father's Day. So you guys continue on being a blessing to others, and have a great summer. I'm going to try my very best to keep it together. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.